achi atum idofo baby a wo bia no emema ne de na ya na ehia me obema mesrew okọ 1 minute any 2 minutes di mesrew waka echi ewa brabum isan say wantoto ne mayi na me Nayas abeti hei ebetom light so a me yiwasi ti mesrew wadry ene jifas pea capsules baby bia wo bia bema de mo ba ne ninje mo ba ne mbu mo ba ne ni hu adanse made bia mo ba ne nso hu daye papa wadry ni jifas pea capsules pe ene bitimi achew he ebia wo bia no kona kwajodi be mai misro me mo ba ne mbu ani chi jifas pea capsules eno ane wankasa na wia bedofo e obai me ka me ma ne de no na me ka yesoso ye de entena se e Martin Carbone enje omoso baby bia wo bia no yaredom bia atena wo so ache hepatitis B malaria typhoid ana yare kwankro bia a intimi nkodi wedra eye jifas mixture maybe I will be ano to America na koje odie wo ba eduru anwumre na za mo ba bekọ adwuma ne so a ma be ma no mfa ne tinko ho na ne ninje wedra ni ibeyi atin Carbone ni nyina eye jifas mixture pe eno bitimi asiesiu ama waye obasima baby I will be ano to America na koje odie nyame nshraw na me kai o se mitiri hwin eye cute cat palo and asiesie me amama yo basima wa mama ye raba sister Sandra Mrs Papa bi yankopon won hraw onko so nya okese wate share mi wi afi atwam 1 year ni akiri ni yankopon onko so nya okese mama pa baby a wo bi ase ba ne ewi papa fie pa dia eye cute cat palo o wa beka junction ne so ho a wo numbers na etwagu e wo screen no enim no bomodin a na frɛ no bia wo bia no bomidin na wo discount ne de eye bedem afi wi a anom de a egu minimu a ekoyo beautiful anom de we na emma ne mema ne chese nkola ne mpanifo doctors and lawyers chese etitrufuo nyina nkola nyina agiatum eye angel beverages baby bia wo bia no flavors ahoro ni nyina bi wo ho apple wo ho mango wo ho peach wo ho chese orange wo ho flavors ni nyina bi e wo ho pomodia na kutubi na tom wo numbers na etwagu e wo screen anim no o pese mi ankasa na Nayas me de brown so a me de bebro sa so na angel energy drink kwa adwuma bana ba me wo bai wa bra wedruani angel energy drink na de mani me nyina nso agiatum eye adonkoness level bit of way baby I will be an to America na kojodie atari ehemi ma ho fame eye EV collection and ashematari ye na sa wo hwe mi studio ha se ya furniture fe edimo efe ahodin wom we di asofo ni diem wo empanifo ni nyina diem ahemfofo nei se bano furniture papa ewo fie dia eye papa go furniture pe eni betimi ama furniture ehotse na edimo na efe ugusu eye promotion ni tin upe office furniture anasempa just a wardrobe bibia ye di siesie dem a eye furniture de eye papa go furniture pe eni betimi ama enkonwa papa furniture edimu papa go furniture ewo kese majanhye ne so ho a fa wo numbers no yankopon wonkoso nshraw na se ba no cars mo kenkan de a eye esman motus ana baby awo bia me se cars ahuru bia upebia kona koje wodie meravo enne I'm so excited meni aje ende wo hwese ne intro no esisi so na hwese ne bibie koyie ni dia na che se na hu se mi wani jim mi twa me ho akwaba na ne me ba eye sonko ene no eye level more level ene no eye adonko next level mi ba sisia Atadre eneya sedenne pedofo sebanu ufie nkonya papa dia mitrema furniture papa dia eye papa go furniture pe ene betimi ama nkonya papa edimu na efe na hodini wom etitru fwe wagana promo hani abrochire be bia de eye papa go furniture pe ena yachi atum delivery baby a ekobia e free afi yegusi ye sales ndendende ye womu a ekosi next year January baby a wobia no papa go furniture e wo ho edema papa go furniture any challenger no challenger papa go furniture enkonya papa papi.
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting for your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you. Enjoyment Cola.
Angel Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello. Your friend is of Mamina and Hayford. Me yen century Messiah actress. And then you ma who do pee keka ho. And na medwuma dinti. Ma po me den ho hia me papa. Na se bad ma po me den ho dia. And one Jifax mixture. Bonje. Jifax mixture nti. Mitimi jina pa bo atenten so. Just say Jifax mama your best mu ankasa. Me nia be ma. Ebema wusu wa ye be mama pa. Senti a meji Jifax mixture tumpreko pani say. Edro no ho te ye de afa abefu nimdie kwanso. Eni fidie won suom e na ye ne frinchem kroje. Ye no nti ma ye resade enu wane Jifax mixture. Na momitie enye ma penfo oba a o ma akwala no fo ana akwala a onyanya emfie dumienu.
FDA ahwehwe sa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
Jifax mixture pa.
Motos any the man. The person must sumo do me buy na me car me tofu a small motor because so what you can for you track the more careful I have tell abe see what abe a small motor no accident the car no accident so better auto car cash so better swap car let's small motors ready to help you me a small motors see me rival car that any some the aba or the mount no to turn kakra institutions for be amu here e be a car bi obe small motors onsa ebe ka audio paper some numbers and a good screen name you just call
Memo akwaba se wonya bre na oje bre na wotwen yi na frobi obi sum frobi ene eya disua enkomodie bibia bi ewom na anim se yedru kwasi ada ne yetena sese di a wentimi anhwe bia ana wanya bre pa metode a ene na waye ho ene min semri mani agiye bensa kamiangaza me papa ma de nyina ye me hana bo ba kope Kofi Akpalu the politician hey papa my brother na menya no ene mi yankasa me papa Eliphas prophet Eliphas ena mi yankasa ma de nyina me hema ba kope counselor perfect o ha ene de Hey, ye kwa no. Me mum nyina akwa ba. Papa, esen come sorry na come dawase. Papa nyame nshira wate.
Na me shira so.
Me frɛ wo se ye me be there bi experience de ye nyina ye wo bi. Na de wo frudu ya pa no, ye piano etimi so me de beba. Me ni asododo Nyankopon nshira onye okese. But I hope say busunya no bia ho ye.
Oh, bia ho ye.
Bia ho ye.
Bia ho ye.
Bia koso.
Bia ye fa.
Why feel ho ye.
No ho ye pa.
Nyame ase. Sa na me papa prophet and live fast. Papa, na ho ye. Mitimo so wa bre. Ye ma wo fra sorry ye ni. Papa nya easy o. Na say wo call. Church members yes ye atwetwon. Obi e twon. Ya semo. Nyame ne hene. Nyame ne boafo. Papa Nyankopon shira o se to safra obaye. Ene mi akasa ma de nyina. De bia mi hu na me say na sister yo ya kra na so e pani. Counselor perfect. They say the bibia ye perfect. Oba papa bi a wo bu no ho. Wo ye raba. Mo akwaba.
Ye ohima. Ohima Nayas.
Sebusia for no bia ho ye.
Yes, adom ye ho den sa show for.
Nyankopon ase. Ye be di kan wo ho den say dey.
Ashaw for mpa.
Ashaw for mpa. Hey, counselor. Ashaw for mpa papa.
Papa.
Ashaw for mpa that say. Woni mo ho hwe.
Counselor.
Papa na ashaw for mpa no wo say na ye te da.
Say o se kan no. Adwuma na ekoso no. Nti say ye den. Because anya den betumi abu. Because it's always in the use.
Oh wow. Papa, who are me dey age o. Papa cho, obi enim say Kofi Akpaloo or ye politician. Just say ye ewiase nyina ye papa ne ho. Ene oni ye beka wabakwasem kakra e we experiences so ye ka Kofi Akpaloo on ne hwan.
Yo me da say penifo ye hia me tia mu nyina na me chia wahwefo so.
Nyankopon sha.
Na eme ho ase mo freme ene nwumre. Nti me susu me age se me wa na me din ani Kofi Akpaloo. Oti di ne dia no se papa ya nwrani.
Anwrani emodu.
Yes. Na ma me so akani.
Oh okay.
Fa say ya wo mu kumase. Wo mu bro no bi ye frɛ ho afonkwanta. Okay. Before no na edine ndesa. Ne mum de ma me di na chi.
Okay.
Ni kunu. Now clinic.
Okay.
No a medical doctor. It nice amafo o mesi o Dr. Afo Junction so. Mesi o na de hormato Afo kwanta.
Oh okay.
Nti no kumase bro no ba ko se ne e din ai da so an Afo kwanta.
Afo kwanta. Okay.
Yeah.
Kumase Afo kwanta fo nyire echi abo echi asantefo kumase fo kana ba bia.
Okay. Manyini kakra.
Okay.
Hwe metrimwie ne dia.
Etrimwie dia papa enka hwe o. Eduno no efe.
Yeah, se mo.
Me say mi nya kra nka me oduno pa. E fata wo so.
No, but say 54 years mu na me we.
Oh wow.
Nti no. Kumasi ne wo me. Na me ma me emane 5.
Okay.
Wow. Na me na me panimu.
Una e pani.
Ma 4 edimachi.
Okay.
Na me papa. So man de ye 12. Emane ye 6. Na me man so ye 6.
Oh.
Na me ankasa so. Sisi ade maware.
Oh.
Me na me ye so 6. Ma 3 me ma 3.
Okay. Oh papa, osin pa chaw min chaw na also papa e wo
12.
And na sisi a wan kasa so wa 6. Enti unji ni so be chaw papa.
Because on worry 2.
Oh, okay. It's 6. Yes, we do papa dear 6 now.
To remember for half. Send us there. If you are seeing us idea, one for half now, where as a member.
Okay.
And you know, Mary Sufri, Ashanti region.
Oh, okay.
Timneno or Masters, and mammy, and mammy, and son. And Kumasiana Metanaya. Now, me co school Asim.
Okay.
And I'm a call New Nation International.
Okay.
And I'm a call secondary school there.
Okay.
Me call 5.
Oh, okay.
Asana miwi.
Oh, okay.
And I call me Jawu Finfin.
Oh, okay.
Asana. Just a secondary school me call more pa.
Okay.
Me call Kumasi Academy. Me call Twansi Secondary School.
Okay.
Me call Setutu Secondary School.
Okay.
And I me call Garden City Commercial.
Okay.
And I finally no. Me baby no Wesley College. Sorry, Workers College.
Okay.
And you know, first school ni there, secondary school ni kwa me call 5.
Oh, okay. Wow.
And you know, and me nene mo me dey abedru hanum.
Okay.
They say they me chartered certified accountant.
Oh wow.
And me say a businessman and I'm a politician said who no best me the president because of the little experience now ya famu
okay
and say me do not be president omo sa to be any movie no you betimi aboa wo because so say I should be money baby that
yeah sure
be more the table so on crying be more the kiosk yes bebre wo situation nessa opsano peno but that's the abasa tinu omunyina omo ha wo ye ha I'm say that you know na kope ma be president be wona papa ewu oja no na na ma me ewu oja no na do be di kura eden ntino so kakra me mesu na wa brochire ntino ma ho say that be me president akola bia no bo so mesu betua ne ka they said they abrochire tua nkola ka ntino tua akola ka na sika bokrom woton ade a na mafo ne sika tima eden
na me twa no we dey fa cheme unya me di president kra no che say adoya wo ye no e wo krom ha no ehu
yeah
yeah and then show nkran say yes an yema ni nyina
oh we asa me wade ma manage
okay
na say my obi papa so because we are here in this world for one purpose to impact other people
yeah
but in baby brain no if you say so we are say no because financially what you need is to help other people they say oh scout demuma was a shene demuma na okono behwe na okono behwe faso be na so and na say na obetime di dako okaso obi say unya ska udidi a odwene ho but uni ska udidi a onwene ho because uni ska ko to duane aga chama me say ma me so sanwana ni no sa ya sankwan na ni no ya ma de saade wo ho no fa ka ho ma me and I the when you scan so no opeso nya lean meat we ko na cross onwe nam nti se scan na open here
okay
wo nya scan on ti menwe nam oh onum you so se chiri wo mdodo o da bi tese chiri so de oni scan no ono ko no ma se chiri ni nso no kura otimi kura se nso no se chiri gum no obu pan no de pan no bom so yeah you know life is funny.
It's funny.
Well, when you understand life, then you see that life is all about touching other people.
Other people.
So what to me and touch you be maybe I say I will not fulfill it be you need to fulfill why you are here, and why you are here is to touch other people, make other people happy.
I mean, sure. Yeah. It's alleged. We can say it's alleged. What can say? Oyera woni no ho. We share the first day now, and I'll fall a man. I say, you soon some tall so.
Yeah.
I say, Budo. Na yes, say, me sure about once now, Budo man at once, and
oh, say, we share bar. Be anyone might be by Trato Ban.
Okay.
This said, be an half be a betcho.
Okay.
Obia, or I deal who about one. Anything. Most will be to me, about the half a power, so, but maybe I send a pet.
Okay.
But it's about with the boys in Magasa with the and Koyi. As so now, a member, a son.
Yeah.
Because a member, what dear Yashe. So be a son in the dia.
Oh, she.
Because me who may know. Now address a corporate.
Okay.
To me who no address a corporate, no mission in the suit now, wash no. A skirt. So I'm washing a jacket, come on. Na or a bank. And now or this Kaba bank and I'm also a bank. It's me who now and I'm a rabbi who me fed.
Wow.
A rabbi with the Oranessima Warren.
Wow.
And then I spoke to her to make a sign. We exchanged numbers and then that's all.
Wow.
And she is my wife. And we
but
have
Anche and I worry no.
Oh yeah, Aunt Chakra. Aunt Chakra. So I train the baby. Saturday I'll pay it now pay.
Okay.
But I didn't here and then the mamma put the pen and some huno.
Okay.
Huni mamma no, and I'm conclude here.
Okay.
Because over so worry I don't was so. Very, very important.
Important. Okay.
Because send the mamma no, Michelle mamma, none mamma if you know anymore. No by 70, but who know are very young.
Okay.
Hannah Musa made son obey.
Son obey.
Oh, honestly. some who no and I'm concluding this and pass so son or tea. My wife, oh, Genesis, and I say, well, I was 7. Unjindi. Wow. I was 7 about Kufrimu. I didn't bagana. Jenny bagana and Chena. And a crown nice must die. So be the Bibia Boa, a crano, I would die him. That's a name of America. You know, who soon die in a million. I did. But I'm saying bompire. But I'm a bompire. Bear 3 days. But some feel me bompire, but I said the attitude, me no. I was unable to pray. It is the 3rd day now. My friend also Kofi. Okay, small banners. Me banner. How did you know? I'm saying no. I saw something in my dream.
Oh God.
Now be the Bibia bomb bano. So near and I banner film so never. Beautiful girl. Remember on that keeping.
Oh.
Oh no. Normal. It's part. Say near Yakupo your name baby. Oh yeah, brabum. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey.
But what collated na bidru.
Oh, no quite no after when you're 6 months.
Oh, okay.
After when you're 6 months, I'm doing a bag.
Now Obano which said you send 6 months, Papa, and yes, I'm get was
but no more.
Yeah. I'm sure, but you're about her. Counselor, okay, my member, Papa, so Papa, as a man, Papa, kind, I drink, and he says, oh, who Obana, yes, said, will be true. A deal banich at once 1 hour, my worry no. Who's to say?
Yevechia were chefo ene omo omuti wo ha onhwe babeti na obi ka say ye hu oba na let me use the word almost love at first sight and mate say some psychologists any motivational speakers say it's not real, it's not proper whatsoever it is, but I'm as suffer, so let me talk as suffer. The basis of it, Adam ehu Eve no, it was love at first sight. No onshia Eve it was you no. No onshia and baby, he just saw Adam, Eve and said, "This is the bone of my bone and the flesh of my flesh." I am a catch most of the generations about who subayan. Yeah, the 5 minutes they won. Oni subayan, the next 5 minutes oni subayan. And I will share on Indomie. Or shisha. Or pizza. Shawarma. Who's how bad? Who's meaning more bra? That alone should tell you. Or baby will be sharing, will be demanding on the first 5, 10, or even in 24 hours. Say, baby, I will call a hot true. Then I look at Papa asked me about dream. On said baby enji daindi, but I thank God say from baby what do and baby what braboma or jidai sodi. And look, I see a friend of guys me bade wana. That means he had the message. Wow. Say what must say? When dreams are not properly interpreted, you have problem. Nyango pone Pharaoh kasa through dreams, and the whole world had famine, but Pharaoh enya famine because of a dream, not because of fasting and prayer. What must say? Sometimes if we be fire a dream serious, can we avert a lot of trouble? You be avert a lot of trouble. There were 3 types of dreams. There was satanic dream, godly dream, and man dream. Say bon some air can be natural. And now say nyame no kasa. God speak to people that he cannot speak to physically through dreams. You share only Mary kasa face to face. The angel spoke to Mary on a physical encounter. But here not Joseph as one thing. And was my mother in Gaza. Omoko Bethlehem, when you have to go to Egypt, it was through a dream. Yes, actually, you can use. So what was it? Dreams are very important, and their dreams was a woody now mean also Sadayan. Wash a girl now also so that I know beach. What you know, Gyro.
Papa, let's about Counselor, perfect. Okay, Papa, some more kind. What didn't you say? Ubi who ba na at once wana with me a folly man at once. I just say, what's the one Tijai?
Me da say,
because I'm very now wish you by so steady no kakra. But where the Uncle Bassa will share na.
One say, we have attraction at first sight. your attraction wish you be a senior or kind also no she suit teenagers on on a spec mom we corporate inti what senior we see for dressing corporate no energy no inti anko she jeans be and I said tattered be na we in pokwe be egu a anko betwe mu akọ inti one say it's attraction at first sight inti he was having strong attraction for her onye be sada inti attraction you build upon it one say inti ordinary number onini di nkomo odini din omukasa duechi into attraction you found that affection ubenya atinka bi e di amano but eno no enyo odo a emu odu aye de ware into woni kasa kwani mo no na odo no e develop into so ko hu ne maame ohun ne maame ase na ne maame tie ne bibia no odo no benyini odo nyini odo sansubu inti na sa woni obetia e chese wo ye niama ebemo odo nanyini inti ohun no na o get attracted to the wife no na anka o kan nanum kasa bi obisa na go say wo pem number de ayeden so anka won say attraction wo ho de ba it will be a be killing no it wey ye too ma ya ne bebrefo say be ma bi ba wo nchen a no din kan kasa ma weni monte anye hwe krasre de bia me kasa so obi bi so ho te sen for number mami a onu nkoton paso then so bu ase no sifa be nani ma hwe no ne soro ne ase wonya me class ne obi ni mo brempon ahase iti si na sifa be manage senior obi ni ye di nkomo no ni baby e be kwa kwesi iti ne we so ne di nkomo kwae no say love ne develop iti our attraction at first sight attraction nyinia na ekodi deep seated love na so ye nyina no ye nyepe obu oho a ohun kura na you he is not attracted to you iti so no tenase a hu suban bi ansa wahu obi so ho wa hu siesie se no sifa gina ho kasa ye senia mami bi kra ontimi ntwa kwampani mu bi wo bo ani di twa kwan mu senia woni mate ni kasa ya wo sire ye kra no wache no inti ye na ye nyepe inti ne e kan say we have attraction at first sight but attraction no say ebe kwani mu na koyo odo a e che say nipa kun ni wudi nkomo na so nye positive when positive and positive react e na de kwa ware no na so hu na ni suban bi nya akam jidi say sa attraction say love at first sight na ken kodu baby omawo cc what 7 kwaya ba kwafimi once o kan nsem no so no adaba ko aka manage on pan say or say kindness okay kindness once from the background no ono hu say we ye papa wa wo ya ma ho wo ye papa mo bia wo ya ma ho wo de bua foforo enya wo na wo de bua ntini awo no e che say wo ni obi che once o kan illustration say wunye obi onye sika kra no ontimi ndidi ontimi nom na so obi a ono no onni ni amasa odidi da ma ne ho to no it that's the paradox of life it will ko wanim no e che so oboa omo wase no so wanya bebre na wo kwa wote so a emfa so bi ene so the kindness he touch on say no pa na aboa no oya doye enyo no kwa na te so any the god factor bit no o ka so da yo di da ye di obompa person obompa e na nso no bibi prevent no let's say he is having that deep seated spiritual part to him.
Counselor Nyame sure be san ba ho. Me papa.
Na dia asemu.
Me president. Ye pese bisa say abraben e na hu so ba be president e o man Ghana mo. Bia because it is also so that ye be so ba be president e pese hu no so woni e mo hu nkomo.
Oh okay. In fact, mi swano. 6 years.
Okay.
Na me na fofo say ye ntuntraka. Nti e to na e na oza we akura na we ntuntraka na wadwen say na ka dane ka.
Okay.
Nti enkomodi die na me enkomadi bia me kai.
Okay.
Say me ka say that tipa mi na me ya ban.
Okay.
Me say benya boxes bebrebe e krom. Nti no 4th of November 1989. Na me sondaye bi. Na me sondaye no na satana mo akra na me hozo.
Awo hozo.
Na me hozo akra na me da. If you can see,
okay.
Now if you know, or say if you're inside, no, corner ya deda.
Oh.
Was a stores were any moon. So, and if you're inside the cross stores were inside. It's in a plain hormono. Corner near the dana. We na sa cardboard na boxes. No what to take. Now they saw not just say wada.
And to maybe answer so.
What that one here?
Oh. Who could you be poor?
And as a one, what the good so they find. And you know, we never been a duty to her. And you know, so atena me baba ewo Kantamanto na me just school
okay
oh na me just secondary school yes me ko school ya na yi madi
okay
ba me sheda nya ade bia me hu ni say me a bad person but teacher ni bitimi hu me na na odinani asimi so
okay
obeya no mo yi madi
Jesus
say the devil knows your future
your
than
destiny
you.
yeah
And your parents you know so omo nya pa bofo a obe basabasa di ba bebre ba hu so my basabasa number 1 tin nyina no o ma me papa mo nya pa bofo o mo di pa bodi agro aha ti no me ma me satam no on kwa asore
okay
me papa de do ko bi kura
wow
ti no na I say o ma jame na me de me nam so ho ti na me ni nam Kantamanto na me ho so me de ho boys basa ba ma me ni ba na ho so no na hu ze so ko asafo
okay
Pentecost bi na wo asafo se hwi side ho no ho ko bompa into bompa no and they save me
wow
ti no me down no one day na me so da na me ho abro no ma white
wow
3 omusim ti so tika me chiba ko da yinim and o to kosu ya eto me nsam and then should be go say trust in God now before that me dey na me di na me di me si na me ni ho
wow
oh na me say we are sene da ho simple but sada no and a turning point and ma na kupon yi dai be church me severally say he has made me an accountant this that time was we just school from 3 you know to go back to school na me be am ko start but I went back to school and I'm a accountant nembum on the 10th of March 2010
okay
no before that you know me Sundaibi in 2004 and God said I should contest menshia after me for butcher but my be a business with my friend president president group of companies yeah and you know the more cause me contest menshia men win it but men contest it
wow
and to be catch my na ada won me dey o say sky them so no na ko post me engineering I should trust him to the guy say me contested there I have to do it and I'm a contesting team me ko contest no be the second Dokofo President Gofo brother on the way and I'm a call back to Abuchi it be kwa Abuchi mo Abuchi me ska magana bi
okay
because my juma ni bibia e basa that time
yeah
to me call no on the 10th of March 2010 I'm Sunday and 11th of March 12th of March and the 13th of March to me Sunday no God was telling me say he has made me president of Ghana until I have to leave Ireland and come back to Ghana and wow. Tina me back Ghana and I'm what I'm doing and you know minim say I fear by bebeto
yeah
when you mention it to me
say ni say wo ba eniyama ben e na wodi be gugu akwan mu because say youth the bre enye adwuma nye amakro no ne niyama basa che say emperwanyin sen che say niyama basa dey say e kom nko a eniyama basa say hu so wo ba eniyama ben e na e wo wa adwenem so be gugu akwan
oh say o hwe Bible man yakopon akasem bi wo the book of Acts chapter 2 verse 17
okay
and was some chrono so Old Testament Job chapter 2 verse 28 now say every day no meto me ho maguni panyina so na mo mrantie ne mabaawa no benya aniswade hu na mo kokora na mo mmere wa so adaye so it means daye is different from vision
yeah
the youth no will have vision so in your vision no and a director baby I would when near den chere na vision no bit much say on say atade show say very very neat.
Thank you so much.
Obi vision no.
Okay.
He had the vision to produce this. But said to be able to produce way, not producing in large volumes. Not that creative jobs.
Yeah.
I'm obi no. And also in here.
Yeah, okay.
And it's be president I work. And I say young people no carry vision.
Okay.
And it's me yes she yeah. Every young person be a vision be no.
Wow.
Yambo vision abam. Now they're creating Juma ama bebrenya biaye. Ofa obi say kwaku otian to kwaku otian. He is a man of vision.
Wow.
He had a vision. And the vision was that I saw one year angel cream. One year angel balm. That was the vision he saw. He didn't see a vision to run a broadcasting company. But the vision he saw was that. But availing itself now ending in more businesses. And he Obedi said Kwame despite that. He had a vision, started selling wares. But when you said that way TV station, we're broadcasting. And that's why we rare estate. But that was the vision. And Osha Big Gates, he saw a vision to design programs. Mark Zuckerberg saw a vision, so about network. Now Harvard students or multimedia communicate among themselves. He didn't realize that the vision was going to be a Facebook. So if we look at all of them, their background are normally young people. 19, 20, 17, and any young person will be able to achieve any great things beyond young people. Over Apple Corporation, Steve Jobs, only Steve Wozniak. They started when Steve was 21, Steve Jobs was 21, and Wozniak was 24. We had Michael Page, Gmail near that. He started when he was 25. We had Dell Computers when he started, he was 19. In all these people on my board there, normally young people. America, there's one thing in America. They call it land of opportunities. In the vision, the American government is ready to help you to realize that vision. That is what we don't have here in Ghana. This the American president. I want to turn Ghana into a land of opportunities. It is a young person now with vision. In the vision, we will support you with the necessary funding. I'll be to realize it. Vision. Kobe man now vision. We here 10 billion. We here 100 million. We here we. You can say we here NDC and now we MPP in TM. No, because a Ghanaian is a Ghanaian. But they say no, your politics no divided. So I want to do away of those things. Sinyami adoma o Bible na the book of Proverbs chapter 29 verse 2. Or sister or training needy or minus one or minor ekoye. So but if you have wrong person leading or minor bebasa. The same Proverbs chapter 29 verse 18 will say lack of vision the people perish. Or maybe a vision, omuni vision, omo perish. So it means vision is very, very important. And so now over Hosea 4:18, now talking about lack of knowledge, my people perish. You see, but this particular area, people don't pay attention in the Bible. Vision is very, very, very important. Senyame adom number be president. Senyako pon aka kire me. E wo Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 18 o say so obenya ho a just ono nyame tumi na be mo what my den enya ho. Just say this he said I'm the Lord that giveth the power to create wealth. It's wealth you create. We don't inherit wealth. Because before we inherit to be wealth no then we gonna create. So and all the young people in Ghana no we want to give them the opportunity to be able to create wealth. So be at me be a juma back then we are going. Obedi say medical baby that we need to push them and support them. But I won't say yes, your politics in no. Omo baby that no. Ye ba be mo be say bro mo ase. Evil. So but yeah I make you feel polluted. Me say any businessman biano e mobile wo hia biano e say ye de boa no eno tin ade ba ko ni say ye be say wonya adwuma ye betua wo ka.
Wow.
Unemployment benefit.
Yeah, the abrochira bagana.
Yes. Okay. The tia e de no ba ni say ye be say fa so ne ma adwuma bo manim. Enam say hanom ye ntua unemployment benefit no. So bi ba ban mu na so gu obi adwuma won nwene ho.
Wow. No crepa.
So we be the president. Oh but no what na dwunu say me ba we mu memo mo akere wo mo. They are supporting me.
Yeah, sure.
It's all bani nyina adwembone so ba be senko fo na adwuma. Oh. Iti ye de sa ade na ba se betua onam. So ya ban na ba na nkofo adwuma egu. Na we kese ne be gina so agi. Sika.
Eya na reho.
One kasa no be careful said that be how to support businesses to grow. Iti nema bebri hono ma e be e ba dem anom ye na etie nyina entade no ye pam no kurom a So we are creating jobs for ourselves. It's mpaboa na ade nyina say timi ye no ha.
Timi ye wa ha. Patrol so mami ye jabo from patrol by.
Mate.
Abusia. In fact, na o mami mi sam papa asem. Papa, me patrol wada Roma furniture ye si e hu ni say.
Oh, efe.
Ye papa go furniture.
Efe pa.
So what do you know?
Papa go. Papa go. Ati omo
Kesema Junction.
No msa wo. Multimedia opposite. Yeah, oni efe pa.
Enti, sene ya me papa e ka no. Papa sa so wedi ho adanse. Sana counselor so wedi ho adanse. Me dofo baby ya obi as ba no furniture papa afi dia ye papa go furniture pe. Ene betimi ama furniture e ho te na edimu na efe na nimunyam ewum. Sa so na chifas mixture de. Hey. Me dofo me so hu se ma yo so no a eno na asiesi mi o. Anapa area enwumiri. Me fa de se de me num nsuo no. Chese eboa me pa esiesi ma himfie ho eyi yare dom nyina so afre me so saa na se wo ye be man so so a me dofo 2 minutes ne 3 minutes de me na ya se de wo hwese na ma yesre pe ya emoa me inti bomoden a tutu amerika na koje odie Jeffers P capsules pe ene betimi aboa me trihwi eye cute cat palo saa na matari so eye EV collection na anom de ba ko penso a the whole world do bi age atum abrochefo nyina hede event eye Angel Beverages me twa be ho me ba isia atadwe ene ya tsedenne pedofo sebanu ufie nkonya papa paadi a mitrem a furniture papa paadi a eye papa go furniture pe ene betimi ama nkonya papa edimu na efe na hoodini wom etitrufu wogana promo hani abrochire be bia de eye papa go furniture pe ena ya chi atum delivery baby a ekobia e free afa yegusi ye sales ndendende ye womu a ekosi next year January baby a wo bia no papa go furniture e wo ho edema papa go furniture any challenger no challenger papa go furniture enkonya papa papi.
On my long and stressful days, I long for the refreshing company of my favorite companion.
Wow, my favorite.
Tomato onions, maybe tomatoes.
Hi. Oh, hello. Please, I need to know the drink you were enjoying earlier at the shop.
Sure. Even on Sundays in the market, nothing is for one.
Makuma swaji.
Guess what I brought? A refreshing companion for you and I.
My favorite.
Angel Drinks. Niamepe, niawenejehu.
Angel Drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello. Your friend is of Mamina and Hayford. Me yen century. Messiah actress. And in you ma who do pee keka. And na me juma dinti. Mapo mi den ho hia me papa na seba mapo mi den ho dia eno ane Jefax mixture bonje Jefax mixture nti mitimi gina pabo atenten so just Jefax mama your best mu ankasa minia be ma ebe ma wo so wa ye be mama pa senti a meji Jefax mixture tum preko pani say enye ma penfo oba a o ma akwala no fo ana akwala onyanya emfie dumienu
FDA ahwehwe saa egedie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
Jefax mixture pa pa pa
nyakopon kosin shra koso Neti efutishim. Enkranche are chichre. Chese bibie bi. Ewu. Mama yenkwe. Counselor. Adwenchire no. My kakre. Nsema papa kan.
Wa kan se
papa.
Osi onhu ebubro se omo na omsam so tu kosu egunisem. Na me kan se ade be ye ense da. Nti metu ne fo se ne awanya sa nsem o kan ye nsem pa.
Nsem emu
odu se enya se bia anka ho atoyen. Nti no yes onko so a no nkan ho se rade yi a kire ni mo mbre ho da ade ye papa de ye mbre ho nti onko so a edue bi bewu a e no so aba nti onko so erade yi a kire ni nim se da kro no ebebem
yankopon shira papa no so adwen kire kakra ye bre ni nti
me fa part bia okay, yeah. Okay. And I think they say yempenyu for binya sa adwen na kebeboa. Okay. Faro busa say yenkofa obi obekire da ye asembra. Na o Hebrew ni na onye Egyptian. Ba Bible say o kire ase wie no. O say na hwan ye fa djuma ko kye nsa. Wa o kire ase no bra be ye. And the problem I work ase ni say inipa adjuma onim ye. But enam political affiliation means no e adwuma na man eye o say no na ebi mu gina ba bi e boje ne so because onya so mfa so
no amo anso nim se wo say no
onim pa o ya we say de ko ne nkoyi o say loyalty but say e be nya adwen say o ye MPP ni o ye NDC ni o ye CPP ni but obetimi aye adwuma no ti ye ne ba mu akebe boaye ba won so ye de oba no men ka say me party ni with me be say no me party aba e na ya na problem no I believe say jo odeba ne say yegyina ye bia adwen ya ta na chia but me be say me cry back o
shana mame
san cry she ne the time ne ko but me very quick
yeah no quick
o man panyi ex-president Mahama o so ya no pa no o ex-president
okay
e boy we are two no ye president
okay
enti say nyame ne na kasa ehia ballot box
okay
God can turn the ballot box and make him a great person and the president he has promised. Was it oyini pa nyina nyankopon ade bie ne onu awade eyo na na.
Ne papa, me da se wate. Ye bo futu odi. Ye papa. Ha, ne papa. What did he say we win?
Election no.
Aye.
This one.
Because me to am.
Oh, me win election we.
Ye be win no.
Me win kire say.
Okay.
De me hu no me da yemu no. E no na me hu.
Okay. Okay.
Da ya me hu ye no. Eno na mehu ena mehu no mo se nyame do okano eno na oye ba unse wo di wani sha na ka se paluso be woni a baka ma bodam
that's what we near we wo yeso dey
oh yeah o se o share MPP ahoden na o share NDC ahoden wo beka me ka se bia o me wini 2024 elections wo ka se akwa no bodam wo so yare but normal because tamana Nehemiah mo kwakosi afesu no oh I'm for look down on them no so masa we e kwa first club bubu ntinu yakopon e na dia
oh ye ni brain
na o mane ye so easy to do it o hunyame nisa
on francophobia
say bia kam na me DMPP anim ana me DNDC anim na so bu na me win ya don't doubt because if say oh I need a bear no man probably me win but say from nowhere na me say me win election no na me say wa here we are me the salam hu no
why ni woni pa no
oh yes and it will come to pass because the me hu no
esun
the me hu
no the president kura na say wona ma what to sika guti say age say when shia and age say one kan it say are who agese we hu se ukọ ahohihie mu nyame nhira ho pa
o nhira so
abusua ye numbers no na eda o screen no anim no bomoden na frɛ na fo agyenkyerɛ ebra 0244605647 no eno de eye WhatsApp fo agyenkyerɛ fafa WhatsApp no so fa beba o pese wo frɛ na wo de agyenkyerɛ bren numbers no na eda so no bomoden na frɛ me pa cho be pese bi sase wadaroma o papa o ware mienu one or 12 right then be say also obe 12 na e wani so ade hu so obe 12 na e ho de ehia me pa
oh that be first number come 10
okay
but me ye wo 7 na me ba ko free mu no
okay
and am jai
okay nti o nya bi
oh that be
ate we ni so
Oh yes.
So okay, nti nanka say oba wo 10 kra na to okra no wa.
Ona na kam ne o. On de akoto ya no a wonti no.
Okoto ya no wa wo.
Oni problem.
They say yes, last up near 7 na.
Ati na say kohye na kwa na o twa wo no.
Oh.
Kasa na kwa wo bibribi.
Kwa wo bibribi. So bo adwuma wo mpem. Ada wo fa Jefas ni bia na.
O de me no madro for sanema.
Ene me pacho. Jefas ndi ese me bro.
Oh mate.
Oh kwa me ma obe 3.
Mate.
Adofo me pamocho mo a mo frefre ye other number no ye pamocho mo mfa number na eda screen nanim no na mo mfre no. Aha sofo me pese me bisa say eden enema oba ene be ma aware no because me kaisen papa na wo ka say o say oba aware no say bi gina ese say pachomba pachomuso mami yeah hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Sister for baby, Nayas for baby.
Yeah, me papa ni ana. Papa. Aso.
We only have been my family adakwa. Kasefi kaswa.
Yeah, papa mpacho wadaroma enkoma me. Yeah, abraka na ho ye de.
Nyame adumo kusushiraye kakaka. Iguso.
Ibacho enko.
Papa kofi apelo. Minimum mabe.
Nyame nshira o.
Ah. Papa we enyoma wa ye awa safisu no nipa na dubi a onti ase nkese president die odibi
wadi kura wie wo Yesu di mu
odi president because minimum pa kapa minimum
okay
obeti school bi kura wo e friend say di nyame
wow
obeti SHS do di nyame minimum pa jongo so anonye akopom re enemre ba akopom be koso isano
nyamenshira era se ere wadwenchire any supporter or the support ye adwuma no nyamenshira wo pa yeah ebusia number no ene da screen no enim no bomodin afre na for wadwenchire fa brain say person the fire WhatsApp number ne so a last number no 47 for wadwenchire nyina fa so fa mayen papa aha what's this our real be koswa because me say okodi is ankomo no baby what's this our real be gina enye oba na ebre bia ese say oba form ana say sebe ma no da sumra so ye jimi but mu mema no ene say 90% no mo perform e ma yen e ma no
oh say ye before no ye mema ne authority ne pe
okay
but authority ne say obre ho say
okay
so you know
pacha wadaru masum mame you hello hi
Pacha, good evening.
Good evening, my sweetheart.
Pacha, me pesa mene e contribute to ya papa.
Me pacha wadaru ma enko. You enko.
Hello.
Me pacha enko wadaru ma enko.
Me pacha wo me papa ne nko modie mu ni bibia me ni aje ho pa.
Inshallah.
Na me pesa me tira ne say. Ane nkomodie mu ni bibia no etrese nyame nsa wono so pa enti me pesen ka okodi sofo omo
me bacha bate pa abisha yerase eni wajenchire ebusi anamba na da screen na nim body ana friend for agenchire nyina ebrain papa pacho to awon common so hon ye hia me pa
oh say so no batna o bema no eso de show trimza aware na wo ko no o kwa aware na na oba no for the rest of your life
okay
o kwa aware is o ko no wasan
okay
o ti ase ti say o person o ko na o ko animu dia and eso de show adwumza oba no akofa no onye perfect
okay
e ma so ekasa
okay
enti oba ne de I say kasa no ho ne free okay ade a e ma no kuta no ye me ma ne ni
okay
e ma no with discerning spirit ono oba ate a ade a wo be ma wo di wani hu no oba ne hu e kwa chirichan
okay
enti oba no e bia ontimi explain nchiro
okay
sadi menye ontimi explain ubusa sadi tina menye ontimi but na kuma bibi kache ne say ade we on prima wonye den wonye wo bema no ade ozo ye ne say uti oba no na wujai
na wo bre ho asema no
na wujai because unim Ubo se last no wo pem.
Me ba so mama. Wo be ma no so ti oba ne
jina. Wanti agwa pem.
Ubo ka pem. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Good evening. Odo you.
Pastor Biaboko.
Pastor Boko wadaro ma na wonso e.
Na me adro. Me so me share no program na festa me ka me papa.
Me Pastor enko.
Ene tesi ane waka na toma kuma.
Na me straw.
Who says it's me bet na so a Ghana be easy.
Na me straw.
Enti on kan so say na vote back home in chain.
Na me straw.
I've changed my mind. The vote back home in chain. Because that's it, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sweetheart. Ebusia for na miguso America you say papa go furniture die nkunwa papa fie me dofo baby a wo bia papa go furniture e wo Kisama junction ne so kwa oguso e ye promotion tendent ni kona kwaje odi saa so e na Jeffers mixture say wo buy wo pesa wo ho ye fe na wa himfie ho ye kama na ya wie ni nyina free so dia na ye te say na ya ase dia eti ha ma ye so no trepe in fact e koyi me papa kra be dia dance say koyi ye Jeffers mixture sana I be wan so 1 minute ni 2 minutes ni me do for me sure mfa nko baby anim o baby empesa me pa chaw hwe na wa mfa nko baby anim e Jeffers P capsules manographm Jeffers P capsules de MTNC wa no ma MTN cameraman wa no ma me do for sana anom de papa Angel beverages me so baby bia wo bia kwajo de papa enko o ba chaw wadaro ma me ba nko fo wa so mani achi hello hi good evening. Good evening, Midofo. You, Midofo Yanko. Good evening, Patro Yanko. Patro, sorry, free TV no kakrama wadaro macho ho kakra bia branding ti. Na ya monitor tell. Papa, Patro so aso my went to me.
Etino. Be me bia person wo ware bia no. Esa o nyabotre maayere.
Okay.
Na utie no. Oba no so asori kasa ye. So po ware.
Ope ware.
Esa o frifie. Okọ ko hye ba bia na waba. Omra no na ne boy den. Atoniem. Oba no so de hia wa. The only thing my mama pacho.
Wow.
Set you. Ufere so be po ba chewa. Wa ware ntimi nyina. So timpo ba cho me who anything wrong with that.
Hello.
Pacho so mama. Hello. Your last caller here. Hello. Good evening, Midofo.
Pacho me got to kuma so tech.
Okay, tech for nyina ho ye de.
Pacho nya me the blessing Pacho. Dan ne kasa ye me de pa na ni vote me ho na. Ewade adem na oba so a ye ne ye nya adwuma no. Onfare nso adwuma ye hia adwuma.
I was saying.
Saya mesma gente me da na sepa.
Konshira pa era wase. Ye papa. Nya misao. Nkomo ne nko.
Tino.
Obaso wari ejina.
Aware the stage na.
Ejina. Lebe jina so ejina wo be ma no so. Ejina wo ba no.
Oh, jamu mienu so.
Okay.
Jamu mienu so. Ba wo be ma no. Me kam kasa as be ma.
Okay.
Because o say Ghana na da she tun say be ma de ni ko so Paul Bacho.
Paul Bacho me da se.
So respect we. Regardless. Say all our there no say two. O be man o say o do ba no. Ade a wo do de. Say on ja no onya no basbasa o. Ti say o hold ni ye. Nti no ya de bi na enkoya. Ono kura di for no say opanacho.
Wow.
Oh yes, o my mama.
Wo ba ni di for no. Ya man so ya no de. Ni nyina so say opanacho.
Na o ye bebre wo asom no. O kwa adwuma enye.
Okay.
O taxi driver. O driver the car be in accident.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ultimate concentrate.
You
need peace.
Peace.
Until maybe I will be a room here as some dear be.
Okay.
It is a fear and joie. Upia, ne disturb. It knows Caucas. Oh, my patch.
Sorry.
And Catwacha.
Once sama wo kan die se ememe nyina no be ya adwen kra enka warigo bebrebe nyina nka tuo betwa. Esan se ma ye hadwene ya no odene yenya na ye kofa ba wo nanso me papa Kofi Akpalu wo sese ne etie bia no be mai se wo pe wa de ye no po ba ne chew because be bi wo ho no ma wo do ne yiri no nanso apache untie na ware ne gu entumi enyina akrokro nti aware ne gu entimi ye ba ha adesua nko a ene esua
another time And then we talk about I'm saying okay 1 minute, 2 minutes sex in this animal. Also high interest sex.
Aye.
Oh, say memma no. Omunya foreplay. To ofa oba na okoya no ne koda.
No ne koda.
Enti no okoda oba no obi no ne kuna tena. Oba no ho nsane ne da. What I say? Because what they know, untimi for what they know, enye 10 minutes in a animal. You need time on the woman and make her feel proud as a woman. Okay. So the mechano. Asana what penetrate. Or the mechano.
Yeah, mean so. And sana, you need time for the woman. Asana what penetrate. And somebody can papa na yakan because why experience be. And I say so you bano ne yire. I'm proud of you.
Oh yeah.
I really respect you. In fact, me bupa from afar, but any day I strong kokra. Nyame unsha pa. Me pacho and some papa can will be a final way seconds mame.
Nyame kan say your kind na no cretro do. Sa wone obatia, onu se wo e na ye fie niti. Nti wo no asumdwe no so no e che se wo e na wode asumdwe no e de ba. Se asumdwe enifia ema wunya ahoto nti no oba no aye bibi na nseme ba no yese me pacho etwa asem ni netia ebo ohwa na ehia so be hage no ebo ohwa na ehia so kasa no ko be kisi no se na etwa nti enya nema ni na yeso mo tenten ye be masua ebo ohwa nsem no kan kwan na do shirt egu ko ho akwetena bebi agye frama obeba no na ne bu ato ne yem woni na aka ne boko na so bibi also be som twen a emboa nti mema no yesremo so pese aware ni kwani mu a eya brafom ema wogire kola ba akoso ka se no sifa ka se de ankonko di sofo o se pese meka na ti ho asese ye hia omo vision ye hia omo nyamisro ewo omumu na so omo betena so a omo betimi di nyamisro no aye adwuma omo nya ne ama basa
we de ye bre na so ma ye 5 minutes nkan ye pese ye papa de ne contact etu dwa ye sere wa wadaroma pacho ye money papa ye bre no
onya basa ntini e ka se we ye akosum koye so fune de
papa pacho me pacho papa me ba so ese pacho telephone number in case says obi e hwehwe wa
okay me number is 0249 04 21 89
0241
no 0249
okay
04 21
89 to bia bitimi afro counselor pacho telephone number ye bre no aso awie nya
0243 28 37 84 0243 28 37 84 more social media into counselor perfect we here counseling service with the call
papa pacho 1 seconds we futu na number nya sa ye yi free so pacho
chase your dreams said yeah papa ekusu chasing dreams 0270
okay
001 002 0270 001 002
okay nyankopon onhiramo sameto nsafremo obaye meni asododo me papa me da wase wate ene wafutuo ene won kyerɛkyerɛ a wodi aman papa sa na oso nyame nhira me maame sa na oso nyame onkoso nhira abusuafo aha ena bre no ebe makwan ye de dwumadie no ye de asimidian na yas na kai se dwumadie bia opese bo wadwuma ho deru e de ma no number no na screen no eso no ye be modin ayama afi aboafo asam nyina nyankopon nhira mu nyina Jeffas mixture nyame onsha onkoso nya okase emame sa na me papa go furniture papa nyame nsha onkoso nya okase emame me papa esuman motors nyankopon onkoso onsha sa na me abi papa doctor kwakuatin so me just me sorry esan echiapa bia nchia kesi enkoma eni me see you eni adwumakuo fompanifo nyina nyame onhyira mo nkoso enyam kesi na kai se angel cola angel beverages nyina de upese me ya me de brewa me ankasa me de bebro enwi ahyami me se baby ya wo bia a cute cat or Abekan Junction so ho atare enso EV collection sanso ena fabric center so say maybe a wo bia fabric center or Accra do be a pay to biano or bebomodia edi amount the boy fashion jewelry Yankopon show will be biana kaisa YouTube no Nayas 1 TV Facebook and so actress Nayas 1 nyame onko so nhramo onko so nyamo kese onko so momo ho ban mamo nkwane ahoden na kaisa ne wanya bre na wanhwa ye wode anwumre bia ye repeat 9 to 10 Africa kaisa kwesi ye anwumre bia nso 7 to 8 nyame ya doma dasane ye besan ehia chia crew ni nyina obibia midin eye Nayas Boaku stars nyina kechiri